What's going on? Daniel here. Welcome back to another video. So, if you're watching this right now, chances are that you have an online business, or maybe you are planning to start one soon, and you're just looking for resources out there that can aid you in doing that. And this video, there's one important aspect of every online business that I really want to touch on, and that is the aspect of building an email list. And I say this quite often, that the most important tool in your arsenal as an online business owner will be your email list. Now, I'm going to give you several examples of that. So recently, I was approached by a brand that I know, love, and talk about, about creating a sponsored email to my email list for about 3 days, and they offered me an amount to do that under 1,000, nothing too crazy. And as you can see right here on the screen, my email list is about 958 in this one email list. I have another account where I have over 2,000, and a different email newsletter where I have over 14,000 emails. But this is where I put my most effort into, because this is really what pays the most money. And they are willing to pay just under 1,000 for me to do sponsored emails for into my email list. So that is just something that you want to consider. And also, if you're looking to start selling online products, digital products, email list is going to be your best bet in order to market to your audience over and over again. Because if you imagine people who are using paid ads, I am a paid ad strategist. I help brands, run ads on the internet, on Facebook, Google, everywhere. I spend at least $200,000 every single month helping brands run ads. And I know this for sure, that if you don't have a strategy, a way to acquire leads for cheap, you are going to spend so much in acquiring customers over the long run. So your email list is really one thing that you want to pay attention to in order to reduce your marketing cost over a long period of time. So how do you come about? So how do you go about building an email list really? So when you're just getting started, you might be wondering, how do I go about this? How do I build this email list? But there's always a step to everything, right? There's always ways through which you can build your email list. It's not going to, get bigger over time. It's going to slowly and gradually grow to those numbers that you see a lot of expats talk about, the thousands and, tens of thousands. But when you're just getting started, it's a very slow burn. You're going to have to build it gradually from zero. And the first thing that you need to keep in mind is that people are not just going to give you their email address. It has to come with some type of promise, a promise of some type of value, right? And one way that I have seen that is tested, tried, and trusted is by having some sort of lead magnet. Now, lead magnet is some sort of value proposition that you give to people, in return for that value, they give you the email address. An example of a lead magnet could be like an ebook. It could be a template. It could be an email course. It could be just something that that you can teach other people that might be valuable to them, that they consider valuable. That is your lead magnet. And I'm going to show you an example here. This is an example of a lead magnet that I have right now. This is an ebook that I give out for free. And by the way, if you want to download it, it's going to be the second link in the description. You can go download this ebook. It's called The 10 Digital Product Ideas to Kickstart Your Online Success. Now, this is going to give you pretty much everything that you need in order to get started with your digital product business. Some ideas that you can start implementing in order to get started with selling digital products. And as you can see right here, it says I've distilled everything I've learned over the last 5 years into this book. So if you're looking for a quick and easy guide to get you started on your way to online success, this ebook will be the perfect start. So in this ebook, I have 10 digital product ideas that you can get started with, how to create them. And of course, if you haven't seen this video that I'll put here in the cards, I talked about how to create, something like this. Now, this is an ebook that I put a lot of time into, but if you want to create something simple that people can easily go and download, I made a video here where I talk about how to use, tools like ChatGPT to come up with ideas and how to really implement those ideas to make a valuable a valuable lead magnet that you can then send out to other people. So when you create this type of ebook, what you then want to do is to have a landing page such as this one. And a very good tool that I use in doing that is system.io. As you can see on the bottom right hand corner here, system.io is my tool of choice. I've been talking about system.io now for well over a year. I have so many videos dedicated to how to use system.io, and it is one tool that I recommend if you want to build a landing page that allows you to, that allows you to give out your lead magnets, sell products, collect leads, and just sell product, over a long period of time. So you can check out the link to system.io. I'll leave it down in the description down below, and you will be able to put up your lead magnet and start collecting emails in no time. So once you create your lead magnet, you want to make sure that you have a landing page such as this one, and you want to make sure that you can collect email addresses. Now, what do you do after that is that you want to, start engaging with your email list. Now, engaging means that you want to start sending them emails, and this is where you make the most money on the back end. Now, selling products to someone does not really work. As a marketer, I can tell you that it takes at least 5 to 7 touches for someone to take action to buy anything from you, from the moment they find you to getting to know you to the time they say, you know what, you can have my money. It take about 7 touches, meaning they see your product and service over and over and over again. So if you think you're just going to show up one time and people are just going to buy from you, it's not going to happen. You need to engage with them. You need to, prove that you are that person they can trust to take them from where they are right now to where they want to be. So you want to engage with them inside of your emails. You send them, it could be weekly, it could be every other day, it could be every day, but you want to know exactly how often to relate with your list over and over again, because again, you don't want to overdo it. As you can see right here, I have 958 emails. I mean, I cut that down from over 2,000, almost 3,000 to 958 because I saw that a lot of my emails are not engaging, and I did sort of like an aggressive cleanup. Really, it was quite aggressive, and almost immediately I saw my open rate go up from about 25% to well over 40%, almost 50%. So it doesn't matter how many emails you have in your list, you can still make money with your email list. And I'm still making money with my email list. An example is the brand that I told you about. They want me to do a sponsored email to my list, for for a set amount, which is, I mean, for the beginner, it is not, a small amount at all, and anyone will be happy making that much from an email list under 1,000. So this is how I believe anyone can build an email list. Again, if you want to, download, my ebook on how to on 10 digital product ideas to kickstart your online success, it's going to be right here. I'm going to leave it in the description down below. And also, these are some of the things I talk about in my digital mastery online membership community, where I talk about how to build an online business, how to create landing pages, all the technical details that you need in order to build an online business. I will be there to guide you. I will hold your hand, and you will look over my shoulder on how to do these things. And we have weekly live calls in there. I will teach you how to create multiple passive income streams, build an email list that actually converts. You connect with like-minded entrepreneurs. And if you really just want to say, goodbye to your soul-sucking 9 to 5 job, this is the place that you want to be. And you can get 30% off to that membership if you use the first link in the description down below. Again, this is no pressure. If you feel like it's worth it for you, check it out. If not, that will still be fine. I'll still be making videos like this to help you out. Again, my name is Daniel. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing, and I will see you in the next video. Take care now.